Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by turning on airplane mode to cut cellular signals while keeping control. Once done, don't stop there. Immediately open the quick panel and prepare to re-enable specific radios. You need Wi-Fi credentials and an available network, so have them at hand. Make sure you understand why airplane mode stops cellular traffic for safety and regulations, but you can selectively turn Wi-Fi or Bluetooth back on to get data. This approach minimizes interference while restoring internet access. Next, re-enable the radios you need. You will tap Wi-Fi in the quick panel, pick the SSID, and enter the password to regain internet. That restores app and browser data. If you prefer another device's connection, enable Bluetooth and pair to use Bluetooth tethering. This uses less power and still works under airplane mode. Also, make sure Wi-Fi calling is turned on in settings if you want voice and SMS over Wi-Fi. This bridges communication when cellular is off. To finish, test the connection by opening a web page or streaming short media so you know data flows. If it fails, toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth off and on, then reconnect. That clears temporary issues. Make sure mobile data remains off. Many carriers block cellular while airplane mode is active, so if you need true mobile data, you may have to disable airplane mode temporarily or contact your carrier. If problems persist, reset network settings as a targeted troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.